Welcome to the structure analysis 1. This is the chapter displacement of static determinate structure. The topic is method of slope and deflection at a point. There are several methods to find the slope and deflection of the center line of a beam at a certain section. The following are the importance from the subject point of view. First, double integration method. It's also known as Macaulay's method. Second, moment area method. Third, conjugated beam method. Fourth, unit load method. It's also strain energy method. First, double integration method. We already derived the differential equation EI is equal to d square y upon dx square is equal to minus m. To integrate it, we have EI into dy by dx is equal to minus integration m into dx plus c1, which is slope. Now again integrate it, we have ei into y is equal to minus double integration m into dx into dx plus c1x plus c2. Double integration is called deflection. Thus, integrating the original differential equation, once we get the slope and again integrate it, we can get value of deflection at any point. This is the double integration method or Maclaurin's method. Further, deflection of a cantilevers. There is a different type of cantilever beam with different type of loading. Now we can take a cantilever beam with a point load at a free end as shown in figure 5.4. Here we can see a cantilever beam AB. Cantilever portion is A and free portion is a B. A length of the beam is L. Okay, and so-called W kilonewton point load is resting on a free end at a B. So consider the origin at the fixed end is a. Consider a section x distance x from the origin. Now to find RA is equal to W, MA is equal to load into perpendicular distance, load is equal to W and perpendicular distance is L, minus because is a anti-clockwise. Now mx is equal to Ra into x plus Ma. In short, moment at x is equal to reaction A into x plus moment A is equal to W into x minus W into L. Ra is equal to W, x is equal to x, Ma is equal to load into perpendicular distance, load is the W and length is L. So we can get the moment at x is equal to Wx into, minus W into L. Now integrate it. Ei d square y upon dx square is equal to minus mx. It is the equation of deflection. Put this value WL minus Wx. Put the common term out. W is equal to Ei d square y upon dx square is equal to W. Take it common and L minus x. Now to get slope, we can have to integrate it once. Ei into dy by dx is equal to integration W in bracket L minus x bracket over into dx. To simplify it, put the W out Lx minus x square by 2 plus C1, where C1 is the integration constant at A, the fixed end, and the slope being 0. So x is equal to 0, dy by dx is equal to 0. So C1 is equal to 0. Now EI dy by dx is equal to W Lx minus x square dy by 2. Equation 1 is a slope. To get deflection, we have to again integrate it. EI into y is equal to W Lx square by 2 minus x cube by 6 plus C2. C2 is the integration constant for a second terms. For at a deflection at a point 0, we have x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. The final equation we got is a C2 is equal to 0. So EI into y is equal to W Lx square divided by 2 minus x cube by 6, which is the equation of deflection. Maximum slope and deflection occur at a free end B. Substituting x is equal to L in expression 1 and 2 from equation 1, we can get EI into theta B is equal to W L square minus L square by 2. Theta B is equal to WL square by 2 EI in a radian, and from equation 2, EI into YB is equal to W L cube by 2 L cube by 6. Let us see X is equal to L in expression 1 and 2 from equation 1. 1, 2 from equation 1, put L square, L square by 2. Okay. Now we have L cube. Okay, done. So we can say Y at B is equal to W L cube divided by 3 EI. These are the simple formula for deflection, slope and deflection. Now take a cantilever beam with uniformly distributed load throughout the span. Take a beam AB, length L, load is distributed toward the full length W kilonewton per meter. Now consider the origin at the fixed end A at the section X, distance from X the origin. Now RA is equal to W into L because the load is given in a URL. Okay, MA is equal to W into L by 2 is equal to WL square by 2. Now MX is equal to taking a moment or at distance X is equal to RA into MX. MA, sorry. So W into L into X, RA into moment A is equal to WL square by 2 minus WL square by 2. Now EI into d square y upon dx square बराबर is equal to minus mx. Put the values minus W into L into X plus WL square by 2 plus WX square by 2. Integrate it, we can get EI dy by dx is equal to minus W into L x x નું x square by 2 plus WL square by 2 x નથી એટલે x એડ થઈ જાય W x square એટલે x square હોય તો એનો 3 થઈ જાય અને નીચે પણ એટલા વડે ભાગી જાય WL cube by divided by 3 દુ 6 plus C1 is equal to integration constant for a first time at A the fixed and the slope being 0 x is equal to 0 dy by dx is equal to 0 so we have the final answer C1 is equal to 0. Now again integrate it. EI into y is equal to minus W into L x cube by 6 plus W L square x square by 4 plus W L x raised to 4 divided by 24 plus C2. Similarly, at A, the fixed end, so the slope being 0, x is equal to 0, dy by dx is equal to 0. We get C2 is equal to 0. Similarly, EI into y is equal to minus WL x cube divided by 6 plus WL square x square divided by 4 plus WX raised to 4 divided by 24 is the equation of deflection. But maximum slope and deflection occur at free and B. So substituting x is equal to L in expression 1 and 2 from equation 1. So EI into theta B is equal to minus WL cube by 2 plus WL cube by 2 plus WL cube by 6. So the simplified equation is WL cube by 6 EI. For equation 2, EI into YB is equal to WL raised to 4 or WL raised to 4 divided by 6, WL raised to 4 divided by 4, WL raised to 4 divided by 24. To simplify it, we have EI YB is equal to 3 WL raised to 4 by 24. So YB is equal to WL raised to 4 divided by 8 EI. This is the equation of slope and deflection for cantilever beam having a uniformly distributed load. Now, another example, cantilever with point load not at the free end. We can discuss it in a next lecture.